Scientists at the National Centers for Disease Control released the results of a study which shows that the lifestyle of some homosexuals has triggered an epidemic.
This isn't just a disease we're talking about here. These people are capable of murdering people. Putting them in a nice, comfortable place. Just isolate them.
We have received proof that the free world once again is in danger. A radical group of homosexuals, known as the Pink Panthers, has rallied together. No one is truly safe.
Strapping to the wrong wheel.
Is that your plan? You feel something, didn't you?
Save me right now, and your kiss got me hoping.